Hello, my friend. My name is Johnny Rivas Murillo. I am from Ismina town. In actuality, I am resident in the Zurich Turbo 2 town, right? I hope you are very well. I am 29 year earlier in my life. I like music, play to soccer, for the moment practice chess, and sometimes sing in my spare time. Right? I am teacher in the school primary. The name is San Jose in the town Turbo. Today, I am going to tell you little vacation in my town. Um, can you see? Can you see? Uh, this is the park in Ismina. Sometimes tips go Ismina. My life vacation of the department of Choco. I was visiting in my mother and my sister. This is my sister. The name Luisa. I visiting emblematic of seat of tradition of cultural Afro-descendant. My childhood I really like in the town and hope the return of very soon in my town. Sometime a recommendation of the travel in Ismina. Uh, Live recommendation, here you go to river wear a light jacket. Other important day you have of inter of the area of the brass bar, although can you see in your for the moment violence in the stadium for the dangerous, right? For the moment, most precaution. This is precaution. Important. Go to nightclub. Do not consume our liquor. This is my mother in the river. We swimmer very well. You fare very well. It's important. A recommendation. Um, Go to cultural the show, the bear the farm, the club. Alright, my friend. Uh, Important or dangerous or visiting or respect and killing your our play. Alright? And this is important. You know, on the close of the flute, we have a transportator of the name Champa, right? And if you plan to go Ismina, you should share of the price of transport and hotel check of cultural their shoulder, umbrella and case of the rain in the house tropical, the I2 au climate for hot more or less humid, right? Um, you're at the show in Mercy in staying in Stampy risk of the party of the show know how and the come out the liquor, right? And I hope you can go. And my tongue is excellent, right? Thank you very much, my friend. Next opportunity. Bye bye. And next, I'm blessing. All right.